Welcome to Trust in Resolution. This video explores how to handle customer problems effectively and build stronger relationships through transparent communication and genuine care. Whether you're in customer service, sales, or any business role, learning to resolve issues properly can transform complaints into loyalty. Every customer problem follows a predictable journey. It starts when something goes wrong. The customer feels frustrated or disappointed. Next, they reach out to you with their concern. At this critical moment, your response matters most. Finally, they either feel satisfied with your resolution or remain upset. Understanding this journey helps you intervene at the right moments. When problems are handled poorly, the consequences are significant. Customers lose trust in your brand. They share negative experiences with friends and family, damaging your reputation. Many will switch to competitors. They may leave bad reviews online that hurt your business. Even worse, the original problem might escalate into a legal dispute. Poor resolution is costly and preventable. Transparency is your most powerful tool in resolution. When you clearly explain what went wrong without making excuses, customers respect your honesty. Admit mistakes openly and show exactly what you are doing to fix them. Share timelines and keep customers updated regularly. Transparent communication builds trust even when things have gone wrong. Customers appreciate honesty more than perfection. The speed of your response dramatically impacts customer satisfaction. Quick acknowledgement shows you take their concerns seriously. Fast investigation demonstrates commitment to solving their problem. Rapid action, even if it is not perfect, beats slow perfection. When customers feel heard immediately, their frustration decreases. Set clear timelines, meet them consistently, and your customers will notice and appreciate the difference. Resolution does not end when the problem is fixed. Follow up with the customer to confirm they are satisfied. Check in later to ensure the solution is still working. Offer compensation when appropriate, such as a refund, discount, or replacement. Show genuine care beyond the transaction. Personal touches like a handwritten note or unexpected gesture demonstrate that you value the relationship. Trust builds when customers know you care about their well-being, not just closing the ticket. The best resolution is prevention. Analyze what caused the problem to understand if it is a one-time issue or a pattern. Create systems to prevent the problem from happening again. Train your team on the lessons learned. Document the solution so others can apply it. Share what you learned with your product or service team so they can improve. Prevention systems transform individual problems into organizational improvements. When conflicts arise, separate the people from the problem. Focus on the issue, not blame or personality. Help both parties understand each other's viewpoint by reframing their perspective. Use neutral language and avoid accusatory words that put people on the defensive. Look for win-win solutions where both parties feel satisfied. This approach turns disputes into opportunities to strengthen the relationship. Remember 3 essential points. First, problems are opportunities to strengthen customer relationships. Do not see complaints as failures, but as chances to show your commitment. Second, speed, transparency, and genuine care drive successful resolutions. These 3 elements work together to rebuild trust. Third, follow-up and prevention matter as much as the fix itself. Complete resolution includes checking in, learning from the experience, and preventing future issues. Master these principles, and you will turn problems into loyalty.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.